Okay, today's lessons is on how to hide and unhide permanently and temporarily items on your drawings. So if we have a look at this, you can actually see that in the ground floor I've got some trees shown. Now you shouldn't actually draw trees in your ground floor, so there's a couple of ways that you can actually hide them permanently. So the first way I'm going to show you is if you click on it, you can right click, hide in view, and it gives you an option of elements or categories. If you hit elements, it just hides the one tree, the one that you highlighted. If you go category, it will hide all of them, and as you can see, they've all gone. This still allows you to put trees in there if you wish, but at the end of the day, the only ones that you're hiding are that section there. So if I have a look at this little button down the bottom here, this one here is the one that you can have a look to see what you've hidden. And you can see that I've got trees and topo surface and property lines, etc. all hidden. If I want to unhide, you just hit that little button there, click on one of these, right click, unhide in view, and category. And there you go. If I get rid of this little icon down here, you can see that I've unhidden them. By the same token, if you just want to hide one tree, you can go right click, hide in view, element, and that tree will be hidden. You want to see where it is? There it is there. Okay, you can still see it. Right click, unhide in view, element. What this allows you to do is to permanently hide items in that particular drawing. Obviously in the other ones it would still be seen. Alright, so if we just want to temporarily hide something, so for example if I want to temporarily hide that because there's something underneath I need, just click on it. You can come down to the set of sunglasses, click on that, and you can hide the category. Notice that the background's gone blue. If I hit that item there, you can see that they're blue in there, just to unhide that. And the good thing about this is it's actually temporarily hidden. So if you exit out of this and save, next time you come in, they'll automatically come back. Alright, so if you've lost something, you're pretty sure you put it in there. If you save your job, hop out and then come back in, all of those will be revealed again. It is only a temporary hide. Other ways that you can get around that. So I'm just going to go right click, go right click, and you can click on this again, reset temporary hide. And there it is. You don't actually have to be in that one there. So let me go through that again. We'll just click on it, go to the sunglasses, hide element, it's gone. I can reset the temporary or unhide it, and it's there. And like I said, it's only temporary. Where would you use this? I'm just going to go up to the 3D item. Just taking a bit of time here. There you go. So for example, you might want to have a look to see what's happening inside. You might want to put an item of furniture in, but obviously you can't see anything because of this roof. So if I click on that roof, go to sunglasses, hide element, you can now see in there, and the roof is actually still there. If you click on this, you can see that the roof is there. It's only temporarily hidden. Anything in pink is permanently hidden. Anything in blue is temporarily hidden. And if I come up to here, I can reset that. So it allows you to do all sorts of wonderful things underneath items that are actually in the way. It works on walls, works on anything. Alright, so let's just go back to the ground floor. We've done permanently and we've done temporarily hidden items. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to set up your ground floor so that no trees would come in. Even if you tried to put a tree in there, it wouldn't put it in there. So the best way to do that is to come up to view. Normally you'd be in architecture putting walls in and components and stuff like that. But if you come up to view, you can see that there's a visibility graphics up here. Now that kind of makes sense that if you want to hide stuff, you do it in visibility graphics. You open this up and you've got a whole list of items that are in your drawing. If you flex down here, you can see that furniture is ticked. If we go down further, we're looking for trees, which is planting There it is. Can you see that planting is actually ticked? So if I untick that, go apply, OK, you can see that all my trees are gone. And it doesn't matter if I try to put another tree in there, they'll also disappear. OK, so let's just go through that again. I'm just going to hit undo. If you want these hidden permanently in every other plant, all you need to do is to go to View, Visibility Graphics, have a look to find what you want to hide. In this case here it's the planting. Just make sure you untick that, go apply, OK. And they're all gone. Alrighty, so that's how you hide permanently, temporarily, and using visibility graphics any items that you need to do. Just one last thing, you can actually hide dimensions as well. Not relevant in this case, but there will be aspects of your drawings where you need to do that. So for example, if you had created a ground floor and your site plan was coming up with all of these dimensions, obviously a lot of those dimensions you wouldn't need, so that you can hide them. If you were in the site plan, you wouldn't want to hide all your dimensions because obviously you want to say how far this is from the property line, etc. Okay, have fun with that, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.